How to add a video as a profile picture on TikTok. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to do a video as a profile picture easy and fast. First thing we do, we go to TikTok and this is my profile as you can see. Now if you want to add a video right here as a profile picture, just click on edit profile and then click on change video and it will be added easy and fast from here. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.